This year, Drayton, you've got to tell the secret of that fabulously tasty chili.
No secret. It's the meat. Don't skimp on the meat. I got a real good eye for prime meat. Runs in the family. Whoop, whoop. It's one of those hard-shelled peppercorns. Hey, I love this town. This town loves prime meat. Fuck you, idiots! You vultures have balls, you both big bitches. Look what your brother's done now. You cool shit. You cut the main support me. And this is what happened. That means rude, dirty meat. Don't cut it. Family standards only require the best meat in town. For money lost. I never get a break. Letting myself to the people. Selling. You pair of prima donnas poodle around here listening to the radio all day. And sawing down your Get that thing out of here. Maybe crack the main butane tank. It's up there. Go look at it. Taxes. Damn property taxes fuck up everything. Businessman gets it in the ass every time.
It's what the public wants.
I don't want to hear that again.
It's Nomland.
Hear the ass again.
Nomland. It's a hit. It's a bang. It's a smash.
Shut it up, Bubba. Did you see it? Well, did you? Didn't you? Didn't you? Go check it out, boy!
No!
Shut up! Told you to go check it out, boy, before I start kicking your ass. Some kind of crazy booger just skits through here.
Now, booger? How big?
Big crazy booger. That's all but, bro. You nap-haired idiot. Get out of here. Who's this? I get it. Are you the saboteur that's fucking up our house? Trying to put me out of business? Thousands of dollars lost. You got that kind of money?
No! It's the DJ, my fave.
That dirty thing?
Tonight. But look, she's red-faced. Bubba's been playing with her. Bubba likes her. Bubba's got a girlfriend. 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 Bubba's got a girlfriend.
Hey, you had to find out about it, didn't you? Yeah, you just couldn't leave it alone. If you wanted to know about it so bad, why didn't you ask me? You want to know about it? You want to know about it? Ask me. Ask me. It's a swindle. That's all. Don't get mixed up in it.
Help me. Help me. Help me. Please help me. Please help me. Please help me.
All right, Miss Priss, cut that out. Leave him alone, damn it! What were you supposed to finish her? Finish her now.
Burn her like a rat.
Finish her.
Burn her like a rat.
Finish her now.
Burn her like a rat. Burn her like a rat, rat. Burn her like a rat.
Finish her now. Finish her now, Bubba. Finish her.
Finish her.
Give me that. Turn traitor for a piece of tail. You got one choice, boy. Sex or the saw. Sex is, well, nobody knows. But the saw is family.
It's family.
Wait till Granddad hears him. Let's go, eat and run. Eat and run. There's a lot of hungry football fans to feed. Hurry it up. Grandpa likes to go fast. He always did. Come on. Come on. Time eats money. Those damn coon shits. On the way to the family. To stoop my shoulders, taking care of my younger brothers. It squashed the young years out of my life like a can of cheese whip. I wouldn't wish this rotten life off on a one-eyed ferret with mange. You're the first girl Bubba's brought home to dinner. See, it's a real special occasion. Well, Grandpa sure looks forward to meeting you. He's 137 years old, but still as fast as Jesse James. So don't you worry none. Here comes Grandpa now. God bless you, Grandpa. Oh, it's playtime. It's dinner time. Your little boys have some left here for you. Yes, no, yes, no, yes, we do. We love you. We love you. Grandpa, get him over there easy now.
Yes, okay. Easy with Grandpa now.
Please don't rattle him like that, damn it. You're balling up his shit. Grandpa's strict liquid diet keeps him as fresh as a rose. Every spring, the Atlas Rendering Company used to throw a big barbecue for Grandpa. Oh, he was the master. He was the one and only. He showed us all this business. We was raised in meat. But then, after the glory, here comes the shame. Atlas went for automation. The electrified cages, the cold steel chutes, the air-powered head hammers, and the grinding. You just couldn't stand it, no way.
Let it go, please help me!
This will be one
Please
you
help
won't
me!
forget. It's a real honor. Grandpa, he's a one-hitter.
Help me!
Small businessman that always gets it in the ass. Sure took care of my hams. Saved a trip to the hospital. Looks bad. Sure burned my beans bad on that one. Maybe it's time to just shut down. Time to shut down the show, yeah. Yeah, pull the plug. Come here, Nubbins. Where's that old fuck you, Charlie? That little just in case baby. Yeah, there it is. Man builds a good sturdy trade by hooking and crooking. And then kerflooey! The gods just kick him right in the balls. Not this time. The last laugh right here.